Simple machines. Which of the following things would help you to open the lid of the tin? Indeed, we use the spoon. The spoon is nothing but a simple machine. Simple machines are anything that make our lives easy. There are 6 types of simple machines. The first one is a lever. Would you like to lift a weight the way Ronnie is doing? Or would you prefer to go Rick's way? I bet you would go with Rick. Rick is using a lever. A lever consists of a bar that rests on a support or is fixed at one point. A lever makes our work easier by allowing us to move or lift heavy loads. Ronnie is lifting a very heavy load from the ground to the top of a table. Let's see what Rick would do in such a scenario. Well, Rick is a smart fellow and he is using an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is raised at one end. It takes less force to move an object up along an inclined plane than it does to lift it straight up. The third type of simple machine is a screw. A screw is actually an inclined plane that winds round a rod to form a spiral. Screws are used in jars, electric bulbs, screw jacks, drilling machines, and so on. The next type of simple machine that we use commonly is a wedge. A wedge is a piece of material that narrows to a thin edge. A wedge can be used to split things or push 2 objects apart. Examples of wedges include a nail, a knife, a fork, and an axe. The 5th type of simple machine that makes our lives easier is a pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a rope or a chain around its edge. For example, by pulling down on one end of the rope, a person can lift a heavy object attached to the other end. In villages, people use a pulley to draw water from a well. The last type of simple machine that makes our life simple is a wheel and axle arrangement. An axle is a rod that is fixed to the center of a wheel. The axle supports the wheel and allows the wheel to turn. We use this type of simple machine in steering wheels and doorknobs. These are some simple machines that we use in our daily lives. Can you think of any other?